Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to configure JoyToKey. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To configure JoyToKey, follow these steps. Firstly, open the JoyToKey application on your PC. Ensure that your controller is connected to your computer via USB or Bluetooth and recognized by your system. You can't create a new profile by clicking Create and naming it, or open an existing one. Profiles store the button mappings for your controller. If JoyToKey doesn't automatically enter configuration mode upon detecting controller input, you can manually enter it by accessing Settings, clicking Configure, or selecting Configure Joystick from the menu. To calibrate the center of analog sticks, click Configure Game Controller and ensure the status is good before proceeding. In configuration mode, you'll see a graphical representation of your controller buttons. Assign keyboard or mouse inputs to each button or axis by clicking on them and pressing the corresponding key on your keyboard or clicking with your mouse. After mapping inputs, save your configuration by clicking Save. From the File menu, provide a descriptive name for your profile. Now, exit configuration mode and test your controller to ensure button mappings work correctly in your desired application or game. As you can see, I'm using my controller and I can move the joystick to the left. If mappings aren't working as intended, you can return configuration mode to make adjustments. By following these steps, you can effectively configure JoyToKey to suit your preferences and control various applications or games with your controller. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.